Good day and welcome. I'm Mark, and this is episode 1 of my series on Equal Eyes Pro, all about helping you in the pursuit of better binocular vision and 3D depth perception, even if one eye likes to freestyle a bit. If you've got strabismus, a lazy eye, amblyopia, or you've ever looked in a photo and thought, why is one eye already looking at next Tuesday? You're in exactly the right place. This is a friendly, practical and slightly cheeky space where we'll talk real world stuff. What to expect, what's actually helpful, how to stay motivated, and how to use Equal Eyes Pro without feeling like you're studying for an eye exam at Hogwarts.
Why am I doing this?
No judgment here. Eyes are weird. Mine are weird. Yours may be weird. And together we're going to make that weirdness work for us. One session at a time. Okay, grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's kick off this journey toward a better teamwork between your eyes. Because honestly, they've had enough time to sort out their differences. My goodness. What happened there? Oh well, little and maybe more apt for Australia. Today, I'm going to chat about one of the games, tests and exercises. Yes, I know, exercise sounds like school, but this one's more dodgem cards than potential. Towards the end of the episode, I'll drop a link to some of the other features in Equal Eyes Pro, the stuff most people miss. But for now, let's talk BuzzWire. BuzzWire was added for one simple reason: variety. It's still built on the serious side of what Equal Eyes does, the geometric corrections, the eye amplitude tweaks, the let's help your eyes cooperate instead of arguing side of things. But it wraps it all up in a game, so you're not just staring at moving dots, thinking, is this my life now? Picture it. You're at the fairground, you wander past the classic old game, the one where you pick up the loop and guide it along the wire without touching. Do well and you're rewarded with a lollipop. Do really well and finish all 4 challenges and you win the grand prize. Now, I'm not going to spoil what the grand prize is just yet. Let's just say it's memorable. But if you touch the wire, back to the start, and you'll be serenaded by trumpet and school bell that sounds like it was hired specifically to judge you. It's devastating, in a funny way mostly. Playing the game is dead simple. Grab the loop with either hand using the grip buttons on the controllers. Guide it along the track and try not to kiss the wire. If it feels too easy, you can press the B to shrink the guide ball. But fair warning, shrinking your ball in public, it's a risky move. The penalty is real, the pressure is high. The shame, well, that's optional. If you stick with the big ball, that's fine, but you'll cop time penalties. So it's a choice, comfort or glory. And here's the hook. Finish in a good time and you might just earn the right to see your initials up on the scoreboard for all to admire, and head home that grand prize, a big heart proudly carried by your new fluffy companion. Thanks so much for spending a bit of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you found this helpful or even mildly entertaining, I'd love it if you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps more people with eyes like ours to find their way here. You'll find all the details about Equal Eyes in the comments, so feel free to have a look when you're ready. I bid you farewell from down under, and as always, until the next time, Uluru.